Hello and welcome to my first Arduino project tutorial. If you're new to the Arduino, I have a very simple project for you, which is a sequence of traffic lights. This should give you an idea of the software and how you can progress further. Now it's a quick tutorial because it is a very simple thing to do, and of course you can pause the video at critical points. So, let's get started. So here's the Arduino board. I've got a breadboard here on which I've placed it. I have my three LEDs. The cathodes are wired onto the ground pin. So that's the one with the shorter lead or a little tab at back there. That's the negative part, if you like. Three resistors, 220 ohms, onto the anodes. And I've wired the red into pin 10, the yellow into pin 9, the green into pin 8. Now all I need to do now is plug this into the computer and put the software on it. I've already installed the driver for this particular board. I just wish to clarify the resistor value used on the circuit. I have 5 volts maximum across both the resistor and the LED. LEDs generally have about 2 volts across them approximately, which leaves 5 minus 2, 3 volts across the resistor. So voltage divided by resistance gives me roughly 13.6 milliamps maximum going through the LED. The port can supply 40 milliamps maximum on an Arduino Uno board, but I would never go to the maximum just in case something goes wrong and I don't want to damage the board. Now, I've plugged the Arduino board into the computer, into a USB port, and I've already had that already set up. The Arduino software I've already downloaded, it's free, and I've written a little program to put onto the board to control the LEDs. It is very simple. Here's the source code for the program. This section just basically means I want to use the word red LED instead of the number 10. So in setup, I'll set up red LED as output, yellow and green. So the program puts in 10, 9 and 8 for me automatically. Now on the loop, I use these commands to switch the red LED on by setting it high, the yellow low, meaning off in this case. So the red here is on, yellow and green are off. I delay for 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second, and afterwards I switch the LED on, again delaying, and so forth. Now, I've already have Arduino Uno selected and serial port already set for COM17. Now, I'm using Windows XP, and I know the Arduino board is using COM17 because if I load up System Properties, click on Device Manager, I go down to Ports, and I see Arduino is on COM17. So now I just click on Upload, or I can click on this icon here, and it'll compile the code into machine code and upload it to my board. And so if all went well, this is what you should be seeing. It's a very simple tutorial. I hope this gives you an idea of what you can do given a starting point, and so hopefully you'll move on and make much more complicated projects. Thank you for listening.